What's the meaning of arched? Arched. Arched.
Arched. Arched. The term arched refers to something that has a curved shape, often resembling the arc of a bow or bridge. This shape is achieved by bending or curving a material or structure along a smooth, rounded path. Arched structures are commonly seen in architecture, particularly in Gothic and Romanesque styles, as well as in bridges and other engineering works. The arch shape distributes weight evenly across its supports, making it a strong and stable form. Overall, arched describes a graceful and elegant curve that adds beauty and functionality to a variety of designs.